Hey guys, my name is Ryan and I am the Amazon and eBay guru on YouTube. And today I wanted to talk to you about the basics of Amazon FBA. This is going to be a 5 or 6 part series where I will explain all the different business models that you can do on Amazon FBA and how you can make money doing so. So to give you the basics of Amazon FBA is Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon is what that stands for. And basically what that means is that Amazon will do all the fulfillment for you. So Fulfillment by Amazon is when Amazon will fulfill the products that you sell for you. They will pack them, package them, ship them directly to your customers, and you just pay them a small fee each time. And then they also handle all the customer service and all of the returns for you. The only downfall of them handling returns for you is that sometimes they will accept returns that you may not have accepted back. But in the end, it's usually not too big of a deal when they do accept the returns back. So that's kind of the gist of Amazon FBA, and you may ask why you should use it over just fulfilling by merchant and fulfilling by yourself. And you should do it because you can grow your business a lot quicker and you can literally work from anywhere in the world. So if your goal by starting an Amazon business is to be able to travel all around the world, then this is the perfect option for you to get all your products into Fulfillment by Amazon and actually never touch the products if you use a prep center. So the prep center will prepare the items for you and then ship them directly to Amazon FBA for you, so you never have to touch the products and you still own the inventory. This is by far the best way to make money on Amazon. A lot of people will say the best way to make money is through private labeling products and then shipping them directly to a FBA center from China or stuff like that and having them prepped in China. For me, personally, I believe that the best way is to use the online arbitrage business model where you'll buy products that have already been marketed, sold, and created by other companies, and then you just sell them at a higher price on Amazon, and that's how you make your profit. So with that being said, I highly recommend Amazon FBA. If you guys have never tried it before and you are already selling on Amazon, make sure you guys just send in some products to them to give it a try because it's definitely worthwhile. So make sure you guys watch part 2 of this video because I will go into all the different business models, and this video was just the basics of Amazon FBA. Thanks for watching, guys.